When you think of getting a new wearable, instinct of getting something which will look good on you kicks in naturally, and Casio is keeping that in mind. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. Form factor is one of the main considerations while buying a wearable because, of course, you'll roam around wearing that thing, so it shouldn't be ugly, right? And what does it make more sense to you, a watch or a ring? A new option from Casio lets you have both in your wearable, kind of. Casio has been selling ring watches for a while, including an adorable G-Shock model, and they're a very clever idea for accessories fans. While the devices are worn on your finger, they look exactly like a miniature version of a Casio digital watch, complete with a functional clock face, stopwatch, and calendar. Now, the company might be planning to add smart ring functionality to its newest models. The Casio CRW-H001M-8 will be able to do a lot of stuff. Its sensor can track heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep, and body temperature. The smart ring watch can even count steps and estimate calorie burn. It's a small device, but it's packing a battery life of about 4 to 6 days. Most of the industry-leading options for smart rings don't have a ton of usual flair. Most offerings from Aura are like chunky metal rings, so the idea of something that's got a sly wink to its appearance is a welcome arrival. It'll launch first in China for about $294, inclusive of local taxes. Hopefully, it'll be available stateside soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.